Perfect for any time of the year, this margarita is elevated with flavors from Mexico, with fresh mango and prickly pear, and a little bit of tequila. For our first step of our margarita, we're gonna rim our glass. And we're just gonna add a little bit of agave to one side of the glass and go ahead and rim that with a little bit of our chili lime seasoning and just give it a good roll. For our first ingredient, we're gonna add fresh mango directly into our mixing glass. And I'd say about 4 ounces or close to a half a cup. Next, we're gonna add about a ½ ounce of our agave syrup. And our next step, we're gonna go ahead and muddle just to make sure that we get that fresh mango into our drink. Our next ingredient is gonna be 1 ounce of our prickly pear juice. Next, we're gonna add 3/4 ounce of our fresh lime juice. And for our last ingredient, we're gonna add 2 ounces of our reposado tequila. Now we have all of our ingredients and we're ready to add ice to shake. And now we're gonna strain directly into our glass. We're gonna garnish with our mango and lime spear. And here we have our mango prickly pear margarita. Frozen or on the rocks, this mango prickly pear margarita will be a hit any time of the year.